Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 22nd through January 5th. For December 22nd to the 26th, this is what we're forecasting here. We have below normal heights across Alaska and Greenland. And we have above normal heights here across much of Canada and much of the eastern U.S. And we have our upper low here off the California coast. Now, this upper low will move inland as we go later in the week, and we'll look at that on Saturday. And this will bring precipitation to the southwest on over the weekend, and then it'll go further into the plains later next week, and this will bring snow to the Rockies, rain and storms across the south as it interacts with the return flow here around this ridge. You can see transporting moisture into the region. And what's the other thing going on? Oh, otherwise it'll be mainly quiet across the country. That'll be the main weather producer. And now we're going to look at the period for December 27th to the 31st. And we kind of have a split flow here. Here's the northern branch, southern branch. Below normal heights here with a trough across Alaska to Greenland. Above normal heights here. And that's how the main pattern looks like as we go to the end of the year. We go to the 31st. And you see there's not much change. And it looks very El Nino-like with above normal heights here. Below normal heights across the south. So for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be as high as 8 degrees or more above normal, mainly parts of the west here. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and here. Again, El Nino-like, where it's above normal across the southern states. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 35%. Now as we get to the beginning of next year, 2024, this would be for the 1st through the 6th, or the 1st through the 5th, I'm sorry. We see a change coming in the pattern. And we have above normal heights here across much of Alaska, the high latitude, still fairly mixed across the Arctic. We have our upper low here over Alaska. A little bit of a trough here with a broad cyclonic flow. And I'm going to show a new model here that I'm using. This is a Chinese model. Is this the right one? No. Okay. Is this the right one? No. Is this the right one? Yes. And we'll take a closer look here. You can see a broad cyclonic flow. This is the U.S. This is South America, Central America, just to show you here. So it looks like a broad cyclonic flow across the country. And you get back here. So there'll be a change in this pattern. It may be, it's hard to predict snowfall because, you get a cold outbreak. You get the right moisture. It can happen at any time. But see a change coming in the pattern, at least for in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here. I'm calling for anomalies that could exceed 6 degrees above normal, mainly across the northern Rockies. And below normal temperatures are forecast here. And anomalies forecast to be near 2 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, above normal precipitation forecast here and along the east coast, so it looks promising in the east. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation here across the northern plains, upper Mississippi Valley. Probability of occurrence is near 35%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 22nd to January 5th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.